Okay, welcome to Cool QEGS Things to Do. Let's make some butter. First thing we want to do is turn on our digital balance, and if you can tear it so it's at 0, then pour in some cream. Now I'm using a large Tesco bought double cream. You could use a small 300 millilitres double cream. You don't have to do it in Tesco. There are other manufacturers. So that is, let's change the units, 577 grams. So let's write that down, 577 grams at the start. We can transfer that over to our mixer. Nothing special about this. Turn it on. First stage you'll notice is it goes to whipped cream. We want way beyond that. So keep going. It's not happening yet. Okay, so we're still at the whipped cream phase. You probably think you're making butter, but we're not yet. What we're looking for is for water to start to come out of the cream. Okay, now we're just getting closer. If you can come in and have a look down the top, it starts to look a bit like cottage cheese. Okay, so we're going to keep going. Okay, now I'll just stop there because you can start to see what looks like milk spattering all around the top. Once that milky liquid starts coming out, you're at the right point. Keep going until you get that out. Now if we have a look, you can see that there's that milky liquid or whey that's coming out, and the butter is starting to form. If I've got clean fingers starting to poke at that. You see that solid butter, it's not cream anymore. So we'll just do that for a short while longer until we get all the milky liquid out. Quick look, yeah. Okay, that's looking good. Now we've got to get that out and press it between some pieces of tissue, and then we can reweigh it. So we'll just pause the video there while I get this. Okay, well, we're back to Cool QEGS chemistry. That's the butter. I've spared you the details of how to get it out of your mixing device, but it's on some quite strong tissue. Got some more kitchen roll, and what we've got to do really is press out any of that milky liquid that's still in the butter. You might have to do this a few times. And that milky liquid's coming out, leaving the butter. So I'm going to get some more kitchen roll. Now, if you use flimsy kitchen roll, then the kitchen roll will stick and you'll have a nightmare trying to get the butter off the kitchen roll. All we need to do now is to get that onto our digital balance and see how much butter we've got, and then we can weigh it and calculate our percentage by mass. So that's pretty good now. Starting to look like something that you'd buy from the supermarket. So let's go over to the digital balance. Okay, I've just tared the balance. Put the butter on, and that's 316. So write down that number, 316 grams. Now I don't know if you can see these numbers, but I want to calculate 316 as a percentage of 577, which is 316 divided by 577 times 100, and that will give me the percentage of butter from my original cream. I'll leave you to work that out. And that's the end of this edition of Cool QEGS Chemistry in Action.